Hello everyone. So we are going to see in this video how you can input this lots of Excel sheet data into code. It's very simple. As you can see, we have a lot of data. We have 11 languages and in each language we need to input a lot of words. And if you came into the Excel sheet, you can see we have 11 languages and in each language we have 7 categories and in each category we have a lot of words. All of that data we need to input in this format. How we can do this efficiently? So this is the hack. So we are going to add data into turkey ball blitz file. So I have created a separate file with the name of delete.js just to do the formatting part. So what I will do, I will select this category. What I also did that I mentioned language in each tag category. With each category above I have that language mentioned. I copied it, pasted here. Now I need to remove the empty blank spaces. So for that I move forward till here and then I will press function key and press down key. Wait a second. Function shift press down, and that's how I remove the empty blank spaces. Now I need to add categories. So this is the English category we have. Again function key, again control alt key and press down. If you made to the extra spaces, you can press alt key and then remove them with cursor. Double quotes, function right key, double quotes, comma, function left key, backspace, control L, control C, and then all done. We have added first category, first language. Now we need to add another PT, PT language. Again, control alt, press down key, shift double quotes, function key right, double quotes, comma, function key left, backspace, control L, control C, PT. And as you can see, that's how we can add all the data. Now you can see how simple it is and efficient way it is. It hardly takes 1 minute for each language. But if you do it manually or in another way, it takes a lot of your time. So if you like this video and need more of them, please tell me in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video.